How do I enable and configure the Spdif output on my TV for optimal sound quality?
Welcome to this guide on enabling and configuring the Spdif output on your television for optimal sound quality. Spdif, or Sony Philips Digital Interface, is a type of digital audio output that can provide high-quality sound for your home entertainment system. Remember, before we begin, make sure that your TV has an Spdif output and that your sound system is compatible with it.
What is Spdif and why use it?
Spdif is a type of digital audio output. It stands for Sony Philips Digital Interface, and it is an interface used to transmit digital audio from one device to another. This is particularly useful if you want to transmit audio from your TV to a soundbar, home theater, or other audio devices, providing a higher audio quality than traditional analog outputs.
How to enable Spdif output on your TV?
1. Turn on your TV and navigate to the Settings menu. This is often done by pressing the Menu or Settings button on your remote control. 2. Scroll through the settings until you find the Sound or Audio settings. 3. In the Audio settings, locate the Digital Audio Out or Spdif output setting. The exact wording may vary depending on the TV brand and model. 4. Select the Spdif option to enable it. Note, if your TV does not have an Spdif output setting, it might not support this feature.
How to configure Spdif output for optimal sound quality?
1. Once you have enabled Spdif output, you may see options for audio format. The options will typically include PCM, Bitstream, or Dolby Digital. 2. The best choice largely depends on the audio device you're connecting to your TV. If your sound system supports Dolby Digital, choose this for the best sound quality. If you're unsure, PCM is generally a safe choice that will work with most audio systems. 3. Some TVs will also allow you to adjust the audio delay or lip sync settings. This can be useful if the sound and picture aren't perfectly synced. That's it. You should now have your Spdif output enabled and configured for optimal sound quality on your TV. By using the Spdif output, you're taking a big step towards enhancing your home audio experience. Happy listening!